must have been very good because he told co-pilot to get out. Yeah, you have very strong forearms.
Yeah!
It must be from all that flushing.
That and, working out.
Yeah. You know, men are always making passes at me because they think stews are easy, but we're not. He's not out here, sis! Let me ask you something, Al. What's a nice guy look for in a girl?
You. Really, you're beautiful and you're blonde and you're facing me. Yeah, I like that in a woman. Don't worry, the right guy is going to come along.
You know, I really feel comfortable with you. Like I can talk to you and be myself. I don't have to live up to any of those stereotype expectations everyone has of the stewardess. You know, always waiting on people, attending to their needs. Do you care for a beverage? I'm looking for a serious commitment. Someone will stay the night.
And I gotta think there's some guy out there for you.
I hope so. See, I'm not like my sister. You need a man to make me whole.
Man, I think I'd better get going.
You want a massage?
Sure.
Ooh, you're tense.
And there are tears in my eyes. Well, I better get going home.
Can I come with you?
What are my chances, pigs in a coma? Listen, I know that I'm in a bachelor's pad and that I've got the forearms of a Java man, but I gotta tell you, I'm married with children.
That's okay.
Excuse me. Listen, you're really, really great, and any guy would be lucky. I mean, jackpot lucky to be with you. But I hope you'll understand. See, I've been married a long time, and it just wouldn't be right. You got any pictures yourself? No, that wouldn't be right either. Listen, I gotta go. Take care.
You are so honorable. Your wife must be really wonderful.
Well, she's a pip. But she's my pip.